Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to make outdoor Christmas decor. So with a styrofoam box, the guy that I got these from, he said he's willing to ship it, but look, I mean, it's less than a pound, but it's big. So it might cost a little more, but the thing is you don't have to pay for the merchandise. I don't know. Well, actually, he charged like $2. It's inconsequential. Anyways, he also ships us fish. If you guys, it's called king koi fish. And so if you guys are interested in fish, get it from him. He's awesome. He's really nice. And if you guys are interested in doing this project, I swear he'll probably ship it. He's nice. You know, or you can get it from Uline or whatever, but you will have to pay for the box and the shipping. So I don't know, but he's cool. Okay, so basically what I did was I got cellophane, and then what you do is just wrap it like a gift, whatever, however you want to do it, go on. And then what I would recommend though, one thing I would like to point out is that this regular Scotch tape, it's not that good when you're trying to adhere the cellophane to the styrofoam. It's great if you want to use it to adhere the cellophane on cellophane, but if you want to make sure it stays on the styrofoam, use box tape. It works good. So basically what I did was I wrapped this gift, and what I'm also going to do is wrap a bunch of them. It's going to be great. But you know, in different patterns, because I love the buffalo plaid because it has a very vintage aesthetic. Another way to not compete with it and like have it paired together well is a pattern, like a Christmas pattern with red. With at least one of the colors, but likely red because it's Christmas. Another pattern I got was this. It's a green and red pattern. I would never combine this with this. I mean, I would, but far away, where your visual, perception of that section does not include this. I know it sounds weird, but trust me. So like, yeah, so what I'm gonna do is like combine the plaid with a pattern and then a solid or something like that, I did this like a couple of years ago and it was awesome. It was a hit for sure.
Thank you for watching.
Follow to receive valuable information for designing the home of your dreams.